so we. Here you go, G2.
Okay, okay, Gussie. Okay,
G2.
little Gussie. Ooh. I think he likes it.
I think he's having a little trouble with the peanut butter.
Well, he eats it faster than Pumpkin does. Was that good? Was it good? Come and get a drink. Come get a drink. Little Gus, come get a drink. Come here. Get you a drink. Oh no, he wants more peanut butter.
Pumpkin, I know. You better run. Wait, easy. That's just on my finger. Don't take the meat, brother.
Oh, he likes him some peanut butter. Yes, he does.
Look at her. She's having.
I know. She's very dainty with hers, though. Yes.
You better watch it, sister.
Oh. Oh, well, hello.
I'll bite you.
He's like, you got peanut butter on that camera?
Easy. Watch the fingers. Watch the digits.
Oh,
yeah,
okay. Everybody's
Man,
peanut
that
butter
smells-
happy.
Yeah, that smells like some peanut butter.
He's like, did she leave any?
I think he's gonna be as big a nut as our.
Oh, he likes peanut butter. It's the Gus's like the peanut butter, huh?